Ordinary coupon and rebate sites might offer instant rewards, but don't you wish you had rewards that lasted longer than an instant? Introducing iConsumer, the only reward site that offers instant rewards, and something a whole lot bigger. With iConsumer, you get great deals and cash back from companies you love and shop every single day. But you also get the chance to own a company. How many coupon sites can offer you that? iConsumer is the only reward site where you can shop entrepreneurially. Simply by using iConsumer, you not only get great deals and cash back at retailers you shop every single day, but you also earn iConsumer stock every time you shop. It's a savvy way to save a lot now, and then you might get to sell your shares in the future. Like a boss. It's not extreme couponing, it's extremely smart couponing. The only site that rewards your spending with a piece of the pie. And who doesn't want pie? Sign up and start earning your shares today. Great deals and cash back, and you can earn stock. iConsumer, you're a smart shopper. Become brilliant!